Hello everyone. We have completed all the chapters for second term exam. Today onwards we will start revision. Today we will revise chapter 3 and 4. Chapter 3 Little Chick Chick. From this chapter we got the value of obedience and its importance. Obeying elders means doing what they tell you to do. It's for your safety and betterment. Disobeying elders can put you in a situation that may be quite painful or difficult. So we are going to revise this chapter once again. Red Hen had a little baby. His name was Chick Chick. Chick Chick was very naughty. So Mother Hen used to tell Chick Chick to obey, but he did not listen. One day, Red Hen was teaching Chick Chick how to drink water from the bowl. She told Chick Chick to drink water from the edge of the bowl and don't climb on the bowl. So suddenly, someone called Red Hen and she told Chick Chick to practice and not to be naughty. But Chick Chick hopped onto the edge of the bowl and decided to drink water standing on the edge. Suddenly, what happened? He fell into the bowl of water and he got scared and started crying for help. Mother heard the cry and rushed back, and she called her friend Crane who lived nearby. The crane came fast and pulled out little Chick Chick with his long beak. And he said sorry to Mother and promised that he will always obey her. So from this chapter we got the moral, that is, always obey your elders. Our elders make rules for us because they know better than us. They always want us to be safe and happy. We may not like listening to them in certain situations, but before disobeying, we must think why they are telling us to obey. Think what may happen if we disobey. Then maybe we would not want to disobey. Next is chapter 4, The Ant and the Dove. From this story, we get the value of kindness. Kindness means being concerned for someone and helping him or her. Being kind makes us happy and helps all to live together. It is easy to be kind. We can be kind in many ways. So, we are going to revise the story. There was an ant who was very thirsty and she was looking for water. She found a river and went to drink water from it. While drinking water, what happened? Suddenly she slipped and fell into the river. So there was a tree on the bank of the river and a dove was sitting on that. And the dove saw that the ant was drowning. So suddenly the dove quickly plucked a leaf from the tree and he dropped that leaf into the water. The ant saw the leaf and climbed on the leaf and was saved by the dove. Few days later, the ant came back near the same river and she found that the dove on the tree. Suddenly, she saw a hunter also was standing and aiming at the dove to kill him. The ant quickly went near the hunter. She climbed onto the hunter's foot and bit him very hard. The hunter yelled in pain and the dove heard the hunter's cry and flew away, and the dove also was saved by ant. So this is the story of ant and the dove. So from this story, we got the moral, that is, kindness is a great virtue. We may be kind all the time. We can show our concern through our actions, words, and gestures. We want others to be kind to us, so we must also be kind to others. Here are some questions that you have to practice well at home. So you have to learn all the exercises at the back side of the chapter, and also read the chapter carefully three or four times, because the questions may be come from inside the chapters also. So you have to read the chapter very carefully and practice these exercises at home. Tick the correct answer. The ant or dove was thirsty. Ant. Peacock or crane pulled out the little chick. Crane. There was juice or water in the bowl. Water. Red hen or chick fell into the bowl. Chick. Ant was looking for water or food. Water. Filling the blanks. The dash was sitting on the tree. Dove. Chick forgot his dash. Promise. Chick was very dash naughty. The dove threw a dash into the water. Leaf. True or false? The ant was very hungry. False. The ant was very thirsty. Mother was very angry with crane. False. Red hen had one chick. True. The ant slipped into the river. True. Kindness is a great virtue. True. So practice these exercises at home. Thank you. Have a good day.